Ko te hoko kai te mahi, kia whāngai I tōna whānau.
The cost of living, they say it's going down, not even. Hasn't even touched the margin. They haven't even gone there. Nationals saying that they're going to drop this and drop that. They haven't done nothing.
He kuia, he koraua a Alan Rawa ko no Moke. Toko toru a rāua nei mokopuna e noho ki tā rāua whare nā te ngarohanga atu o tā rātou māma. Ahakoa ka whiwhi a Alan I te pūtea superannuation, ko tōna ka pau haere ngā kai I tahi wiki.
We go shopping every fortnight and nothing's gone down. The prices are all the same. Noodles is the main food. If we get luxuries, bananas, apples, and I tell you what, they can eat too. They can really eat. When we run out, we run out.
Mentally it's a strain because you don't know if you're going to have enough money to pay your power.
Ka whiwhi hoki a Norma I te pūtea takuhe, me te uaua hoki nā ōna wero hauora. Ahakoa tērā, ka rongo tonu ia, nā ngā āhuatanga tauoranga.
It makes you feel worthless, It makes you feel like you're old. You should be able to give your grandkids things that they want. But when you end up having your grandkids living with you and you've got to become their grandparent and their parent, it's even harder on your mental health. It puts you in a depression because you can't give them what they want.
Ko tā Alan, e mataina ina ia kia I te ake te utu o te kai kia hari kia kua ngā āhuatanga I Wainganui I tōna whānau.
There's so much to ask for, and I know we're not going to get it. He needs to drop the prices in food. Get rid of the GST. Do something on the food side of it, because we can't keep living like this, It's the food that's really killing us.
Ko te tūmana ko ia, ka taua ki te kāwanatanga I etahi panonitanga mo te rā budget. Kia awhina I nei whānau e rongo nei I te tako ora-oratanga. Halle Taite-Pitama, Tahu News.